Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything on your Android phone. Now, I'm going to walk you through two different examples if you wanted to factory reset or completely delete out everything. The first example is if you've unlocked your phone and you're giving it away or selling it. And another one is if you can't get into that phone, maybe you forgot the password. Now, the first option is we can swipe up to get to your app drawer and then just find the settings app. So just tap on that to open up your settings. Within the settings, we can always go through and do a factory reset. So that's first option. To be able to do that, let's scroll down and then we're gonna get to, there it is, midway down is General Management. And now all we need to do is scroll down from here. You can see under Personal Dictionary is the reset option. Let's tap on that. And we're going to again scroll down to the bottom and there is Factory Data Reset. So I can tap on that and it says checking a few things. It says all of the data will be erased from your phone. It'll sign you out of all of the accounts on your phone. Make sure you have everything backed up because it will delete out everything. Just tap on the reset button at the bottom here. You'll need to enter in the passcode for your phone and hit continue. And then just hit delete all and it will wipe out everything. However, let's say you don't have access to this or this doesn't work for you. You can always do a second option as well. So let's hop out here. And instead of that, what we're going to do is turn your phone off. So if I press and hold the power button and then hit power off and power off, after the phone is completely off, we can always boot up in recovery mode to reset that phone. Now, in most Androids, you're going to tap on the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Some of them, it's the volume down and power button, but I would first recommend trying volume up and the power button. So if I press and hold both of those at the same time, it will start up my Android phone. You can see a Samsung Galaxy here, but it will start it up in recovery mode. So you can see at the top, it says Android Recovery. And now all I need to do is use the volume slider. I can hit down and it says wipe data / factory reset. All I need to do then is hit the power button and it will completely factory reset this Android phone. And it'll be as if I just bought it or I'm giving it away or just selling it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.